Hi, my name is Danny Stone. I'm an editor at National Geographic Learning, and before starting my job here, I was an English language teacher for students in the United States and in France. In this video, we'll show you practical tips on how to use regular routines to teach reading using examples from Look, one of our Young Learners series. We hope you can take what you see in this video and use it in your classroom to make teaching reading a little easier and more fun. When students aren't looking, put classroom objects into a box. Then take out an object and hold it up. What's this? When a student guesses correctly, have that student come to the front of the class and choose another object from the box. Have him or her ask, "What's this?" and call on a classmate to respond. Continue until the box is empty. Have students open their students' books. In Activity 1, play the audio track so students can listen to new words and repeat them. Have students point to each new word in the student's book photo.
Board, poster, board, chair,
Green, black, red. Find something green in the classroom. Green or black?
Green.
Repeat for other keywords. Black or red?
Black.
Red or green?
Red.
Have students find other objects with the same colors in the classroom or in the student's book. Play the audio track and have students listen and read.
Look at the photo. What's this? It's a classroom. What can you see in the classroom? Can you see a poster? It's green. Can you see a board? It's black. Can you see a chair? It's red. Can you see a desk?
After reading, ask WH questions to check comprehension. What's this?
A chair.
Who's this?
A teacher.
Look at the poster. What color?
Green.
Look at the board. What color?
Black.
Look at the chair. What color?
Red.
Play the reading audio track again. Have students listen and read. Have them listen for intonation, phrasing, and target vocabulary. Have individuals or small groups complete and share the student's book activity. As students complete the activity, monitor their progress. Take note of who may need an extra challenge and who may need extra support. Write a word from the reading on the board. What's this?
Poster.
Look around the classroom for the object. Pretend that you can't find it and need the student's help. Poster. Poster. Ask a student to stand up, walk to the poster, and point to it. Repeat with other keywords from the reading. Each time, choose a different student to find the object in the classroom. Let's do a quick recap of what we saw in the video. Before the lesson, connect the reading topic and the unit's vocabulary words to students' real lives. Then, pre-teach new vocabulary words from the reading. Choose words that are important for comprehension and ask questions to check understanding. Play the reading audio track. Ask relevant WH questions depending on your student's level and information in the text. Then play the reading audio track again. Have students listen and read. Have pairs or small groups complete and share the student's book activities. As students complete the activities, monitor their progress. Take note of who may need an extra challenge and who may need extra support. Encourage students to recycle the language and information they have learned. Whenever possible, help them connect the words and topics in the reading to their lives. For additional practice, use the workbook and online practice. Thank you so much for watching. We hope this sample lesson was helpful and that it gives you some new ideas for ways to teach reading in your classroom.